What is charge? Charge is the additional property of matter by virtue of which an electric force exists between two elementary particles except neutron. चार्ज किसी पदार्थ का वह अतिरिक्त गुण है जिसके कारण एलिमेंट्री पार्टिकल्स के बीच इलेक्ट्रिक फोर्स एग्जिस्ट करता है न्यूट्रॉन को छोड़ करके। हम लोग जानते हैं कि तीन एलिमेंट्री पार्टिकल्स होता है, इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, प्रोटॉन्स और न्यूट्रॉन्स। न्यूट्रॉन के पास कोई चार्ज नहीं होता है, इसलिए चार्ज का डेफिनेशन है कि चार्ज इज द एडिशनल प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ मैटर ड्यू टू विच एन electrostatic force exists between two elementary particles except neutron. Charge is denoted by Q. In a such system, its unit is coulomb. One electron carries 1 unit negative charge and its value is minus 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. And one proton carries 1 unit positive charge. Its value is plus 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Property of charges. Same charges repel each other. Opposite charges attract each other. Quantization of charge. The charge contained by any body is equal to the integral multiple of charge of electron. That is Q equal to plus minus small n small e, where n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Additive nature of charge. Charge का nature additive होता है. The total charge of the body is equal to the algebraic sum of all the charges distributed in different parts of the body. That is Q equal to Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3 plus and so on. Because charge is a scalar quantity. उसके बाद का प्रॉपर्टी है conservation of charge. Charge can neither be created nor be destroyed. It can only be transferred from one body to another body. That is, total charge of an isolated system is always conserved. Invariant nature of charge. During motion, the magnitude of charge cannot change. Thank you. Okay.